Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into Warren Buffett's push for Citigroup CEO to continue bank overhaul, the Red Sea crisis shaking up the shipping industry more than the early pandemic, and how anti-obesity meds could broaden the market for weight loss surgery. We'll also discuss SolarEdge's workforce cut amidst sliding revenues and explore promising new ADHD drugs that could be a windfall for pharmaceutical companies. Stay tuned as we preview earnings week with big names like Tesla, Netflix, AT&T, Johnson & Johnson, and GE on deck. Plus, Cantor's top medtech pick for 2024 RCEL, along with bullish views on PACB, AXGN, and CERS. And finally, we'll look at what lies ahead in the Coinbase SEC lawsuit, as a decision is expected within 3 months according to analysts. Don't go away, there's much more to uncover after this short ad break. Warren Buffett, the billionaire leader of Berkshire Hathaway, has encouraged Jane Fraser, CEO of Citigroup, to persist with the bank's restructuring. As one of Citigroup's most significant shareholders, Buffett has voiced his backing for these reorganization endeavors. This support follows Citigroup's recent announcement about their intention to eliminate 20,000 jobs within the forthcoming 2 years as a component of its transformation strategy.
Maritime advisory firm Sea Intelligence reports that shipping disruptions in the Red Sea due to Houthi attacks are causing more damage to supply chains than the early stages of the COVID-19 pandemic. This crisis is significantly impacting energy markets and product tanker rates. Companies such as Torm, Hafnia, Ardmore Shipping, and Scorpio Tankers stand to gain if these rates increase. On the other hand, Frontline and Euronav have indefinitely suspended all transit through the Red Sea. Honor Lane Shipping forecasts that this crisis could potentially last up to a year.
The surge in the popularity of anti-obesity medications, namely Wegovy and Zepbound, produced by Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly, has resulted in a decline in weight loss surgical procedures. Yet, according to Bernstein analysts, these drugs could potentially broaden the market for such surgeries. This is because they assist patients in achieving safer body mass index levels suitable for surgery. While there are immediate effects on surgical volumes, the long-term consequences are still unclear.
SolarEdge Technologies is preparing to terminate 900 of its employees, which equates to 16% of its worldwide staff. This decision comes in the wake of a substantial market valuation decrease by 80% within the last year, coupled with an anticipated decline in Q4 revenue by 55%. Barclays has reclassified SolarEdge shares from equal weight to underweight, suggesting a difficult road to recovery lies ahead.
Pharmaceutical companies are being encouraged to create better treatments for ADHD, specifically focusing on non-stimulant medications. The current stimulant drugs, such as Vyvanse by Takeda and Concerta by Johnson & Johnson, carry a risk of dependency and misuse. According to global data, there could be significant opportunities in non-stimulant medications that address coexisting conditions. It's noteworthy that 3/4 of the ADHD drugs currently in late-stage development are non-stimulants. However, these need to demonstrate the same effectiveness as stimulants if they are to become primary treatments.
In the upcoming week, we enter a crucial phase of the earnings season with financial reports from global industry leaders. These include Tesla from the automotive sector, major banking institutions, and pharmaceutical behemoths. Top airlines such as American Airlines, United Airlines, and Southwest Airlines will also be sharing their reports. In addition to these, we'll hear from Netflix, a titan in the streaming industry, AT&T and Verizon, two telecom stalwarts, Visa and American Express, key players in payment processing, Baker Hughes and NextEra Energy representing energy sector firms. The semiconductor industry will be represented by ASML Holding, Lam Research, and Intel. 3 Million Company will provide insights into diversified tech, while RTX Corporation will represent aerospace expertise. Healthcare companies releasing their reports include Abbott Laboratories and Johnson & Johnson. Other significant names to look out for are Ericsson in telecommunications, Philip Morris in tobacco production, and investment giant Blackstone.
Cantor Fitzgerald has selected Avita Medical as its foremost medtech choice for the year 2024. This decision is based on a projected growth rate of 64% and gross margins of 85%. The bank continues to hold a positive outlook for other companies such as Axogen, Ceres, Elutia, Exogen, NanoX, NeuroPace, Nyxoah, SI-Bone, and Pacific Biosciences. Cantor anticipates robust revenue growth for these firms in the upcoming years. This prediction is influenced by several factors like product launches and approvals from the Food and Drug Administration.
Citi analyst Peter Christensen has stated that a decision regarding Coinbase's request to have the Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit dismissed is anticipated within the next 3 months. The lawsuit accuses Coinbase of functioning as an unregistered securities broker, which could have a substantial effect on the company's future. Christensen has outlined 4 possible outcomes, which include partial dismissal or progression to the discovery phase. Furthermore, he has increased his price target for Coinbase from $90 to $151.
That's it for today on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Keep investing in your knowledge. We'll be back tomorrow. Stay informed and stay prosperous. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.